Hello friends, today I am sharing this very easy pressed garden flower nail art designs. Every year I create these designs. This is my last year's nail art, and this year I decided to do a full manicure using pressed and dried garden flowers. So for this design, all you need to do is go into your garden and choose some flowers of your choice. Pluck out a few petals and some flowers and leaves as per your choice, and then press it down on a book. Leave it for a couple of days, and then when you open, you'll see these dried petals. Use them for creating these gorgeous nail art designs. For this first design, I have used the Vinca rosea flowers and I am cutting it short using my scissors after it got dried up. Then I applied a mint green polish on my nails and let it dry completely. Then using some clear top coat, I'll be sticking on these dried flowers on my nails as shown. So on the corner, I place this Vinca rosea flower and then gently press it down using a brush or any tool. Be very careful when you're applying the flowers and leaves, because once you press it down, you cannot remove them. You'll have to remove the full polish if you are not sure of the design. So be sure where you want to place them, and then just apply a little top coat and place the petals and leaves, trim off the excess and continue your work applying little top coat in little portions of your nail. Here I am using a marigold petal. Once you place the petal, press it down gently so that it sticks and cut off the excess petals. Then I took some violet nail polish and made a few dots here and there to further decorate the nails. Once you are satisfied with the design, all you need to do is apply a layer of glossy top coat. Remember, the first layer of top coat will be absorbed by these petals, so you have to reapply another layer after some time, and your gorgeous nail art design is done. For the second design, which is the easiest one, all I did was place a green leaf on the center of my nail as shown. Then I pressed it down gently using my brush and I trimmed off the excess as before. And then using the violet polish, I just created a few dots on the two corners of the nail. And finally, I applied a layer of glossy top coat, and after a few minutes, I reapplied a layer of glossy top coat, and this very easy nail art design is also done. For this third design, again I used the minty polish as the base, and using a clear top coat, I applied this leaf which looks like a heart towards one corner, and I trimmed off the excess. Then I placed a dried cosmos leaf towards the cuticle area, again applying a little bit of top coat. Press this down gently but firmly so that it sticks properly, and trim off the excess all around. You may apply a little bit more top coat if you feel the need to. Then I added a 4-petal flower using nail polish, and I made a few dots here and there. I gave the flower a white center and I topped it up with a dot of violet polish. Finally, seal in the design by applying glossy top coat. For the thumb, I have used some Nastasia flower petals and bits of fern. For this, I applied top coat and added the fern towards one corner. Trim off the excess and reapply the top coat on the other corner. And then I applied this dried Nastasia flower petal. I left the pattern on the petal because it had some shading and some dots. Press it down gently, trim off the excess. Then I finished off the design by again adding a few dots here and there. I have also used this Nastasia petal on my little finger, which has a tiny nail because it broke. And after finishing off the design, remember to apply a layer of glossy top coat, and after some time apply another layer of glossy top coat so that your manicure stays on for longer. And this brings us to the end of this tutorial. I hope you liked this very easy pressed garden flower nail art design idea. These are really very easy to make and look pretty attractive. I hope you enjoyed watching this video, and thanks for watching.